how to auto frame camera in Zoom. So all you need to do is to join any meeting. I'm gonna create one. And first way how you can do it, when you are starting a new meeting, you can click here and turn on auto frame my video. So now if I, for example, move somewhere, it's gonna auto frame my camera or my screen view. But if you are already in any meeting, I'm gonna start this one. If you are here, also click on video section on this arrow, and here's also option auto frame my video. So it's gonna center your face and it will track your face and put it in the middle of that screen. As you can see, it's doing automatically. If I move here, for example, it's gonna center or auto frame my video. So that's how you can do it. If you have any questions, leave a comment and see you next time.